easy steps. Cut, assemble with glue, admire. Foam, scissors, and a pom-pom. These baking things that work really good as antennas, googly eyes, and a hot glue gun. Make sure to have an adult help you with this step.
If you'd like a little bit more of an explanation about who and what and how we came up with these guys and what we plan on doing with them, go into the description and find the link for Crafty Kidzers Explained.
Thanks for watching. Until we see you next time, keep drawing, stay awesome. Bye!
Seconds later.
Oh, you look guilty. You look guilty.